What is up, guys? Scotty here. Today we're going to do something really easy on the car, and that's replace your cabin filter. It's something you should really do, especially if you buy a used car. The cabin filter is what cleans your air coming into the cabin. You can get these filters online. Breathe Easy filter. These are anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. There's a bunch of different brands. You can see it there, and the way that you replace this is that right in here is where the cabin filter is, and this is on a 2015 and later Charger. Pretty much the same on all the trim levels. I'm not sure about the 2014s or earlier, but see right in there is where the filter is. So you flip this up and you take that out, and there's my old filter, and that is pretty dirty. So let's see what the new one looks like. Alright, so the old filter's on the right, the new one is on the left, and you can see how thin this is in the old filter, and the new filter is definitely thicker. So to me that seems to indicate that with the factory filter they're being pretty stingy. I'm going to put it in this way. So this just slides down. You tilt that up to expose the slot. That's it. Now it's in there. Just clip this closed and you're good to go. Alright, so I did the RT. Let's try the Hellcat. So that's 2015. 60,000 miles, and I've never replaced the filter. This is a 2016, which has about 30,000 miles on it, and I don't know if the previous owner ever changed this filter or not. So let's see what the Hellcat one looks like. Okay, so this is the RT on the right, 2015 with 60,000 miles on it, never been replaced. This is the Hellcat, a 2016 with 30,000 miles on it. As far as I know, it's never been replaced because that's a Mopar part number there. And it actually, there is a way that you have to install them. It does say rear of car on there, but really not that much different. This is definitely a little dirtier. Definitely a little dirtier than that one, which would make sense. Okay, so there it is in the Hellcat. You can see the airflow sign goes towards the back. So I'm gonna put that in. So something that's very easy for you to do. You go to a dealer, they're probably gonna charge you at least $100 for that. Don't even bother letting them do it. Just do it yourself. But that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.